Hello students, let's begin the first chapter, that is sets and relations. Introduction. The concept of a set was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. So George Cantor gave the theory of set. He is known as the creator of set theory. The theory of set then became the one of the most fundamental theory in mathematics. So what is set? Collection of well defined objects is called a set. Now here, when you keep certain objects together, it is in a collection, that is known as set. Object in a set is called its element or member. So what is objects here? Now there will be certain set, for example set of students. So those students are the part of that particular set, means element or member of that set. We denote sets by capital letter. Here we will use some capital letters like A, B, C, etc. The elements of a sets are represented by small letter. So whatever will contain in the sets, the element, that we have to write in small letters like the small A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So let's read this. If X is an element of a set A, means that if X is a part of A, then we have to write it like this: X is an element of A. Remember this symbol, X is an element of A. This can be read as X belongs to A, means X is a part of A. If X is not an element of a set A, means in set A X does not come, then we have to write it like this: X does not belong or is not an element of A. We can read it as X does not belong to A. So this was the introduction part here. Now just remember one thing here in this chapter: natural numbers. The set of natural numbers will be denoted by n. Whole numbers we will use W. For integers we will use I. For rational numbers we will use Q, and for real number we will use R. So remember this important letters which are denoted to the important numbers. Now let's see representation of a set. Now here you have three type of methods which you are going to study here. One is roster method. It is also known as listing method. Then there is set builder method. Then and the last is Venn diagram.